I just wanted to show y'all my setup. It's like the middle of the day, but I'm gonna do a day in my life. You know what I'm saying? Like it's 1 o'clock, but like this is a day in my life. I be eating breakfast all day and I be drinking coffee. But it wasn't even 1 o'clock no more. It's 2 o'clock. Anyways, it is 2025 and I'm back in school. I'm back in school and now it's time for the grind. So I'm gonna take y'all through today because today I have like a lot of stuff to do and I thought why not record it, I guess. So, you know. So today we are going to go to the library because I have to print out some things for my bulletin board because if you didn't know, I'm an RA and I have to do a bulletin board. So I am going to go to the library, print out some things. Then from there, we are going to go to the gym. And today is like glute day. I hate glute day. I mean, I was consistent last year, but like, this is a new year. So we're gonna get back into it because it's been a month and a half or 2 months since I've been working out. So yeah. And so we're gonna go to the gym. It's glute day. Then we're gonna come back and put up our bulletin board. Well, my bulletin board. So yeah, let's get into it. Y'all, don't mind my suitcase. I literally just got back. Chill on me.
You already dressed up. What I want, all your hands at the ends, but you want this to end. Say goodbye.
Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. I also gotta like take this book back because this is way overdue and I never opened it. But then the hurricane came over here, so that delayed everything. But then again, I just never returned it, so I'm gonna do that at the library. Also, I'm going to take my laptop because a lot of the things that I need to print is like on my laptop and I need to be able to make sure I can get into it. Like you said,
I can't get into like the desktop that's at the library. At least I have my laptop. I could just connect it to like one of the other laptops in the library. So
yeah. Okay, the last things that I need to do, I just need to fill up my water bottle. My man gave this to me. And my man, thank you to my man. But now I'm gonna fill up my little water bottle, my big water bottle that my man gave me, and then we're gonna head out. Not gonna lie, I done came out here in shorts. Oh nah, y'all. I done came out here in shorts thinking it's gonna be hot because it be humid down here. Girl, it's cold and it's windy. And I'm walking to the gym because I ain't got no car. One thing about my campus, they gonna have a nice little lake. But yeah. So I just got done printing out stuff for like the library one night. Girl, why that printer was taking so long? It was really pissing me off, I'm not gonna lie. But now I'm finna walk. I'm just walking on campus. Nice little campus, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not gonna lie, I have a class this semester. So I have a biology lecture that ends at 10:45, and then I have the lab that starts at 11 o'clock. The problem is that one class is that way of campus, and the lab is that part. Well, you can't see, but it's past me basically. To sum it up, both classes are like on opposite sides of the campus, and the dilemma is your girl don't have a car. So I don't know, like I think I might have to change that class, but the thing is that was the only time slot. It get real hectic, so we gonna figure that out, because I was thinking like, oh, can I still make it? Can, like, you know, but I don't know. I might just end up changing my class because I don't feel like having a rush and be all sweaty and stuff like that, because this walk, it's like a 30-minute walk. Well, I don't know, it might not be that bad. I don't know, I may just be over exaggerating. I don't know, we gonna see. No, I know that's not a bus I see. And I just walked all the way from my door all the way to the gym. Y'all, look at the bus. Yeah, I know, that's sick work right there.
She likes, as far as I know. She jokes. Girl, I thought Google was just speculation. She prefers my body type. That makes it a fetish, right? According to the next joke, does that make them a fetish? The whole topic was just like really weird to me, but so that is the end of
taking in the yard, and I noticed something odd. They all faced the same direction, and I didn't realize their statue had turned around in life.
So I'm not gonna lie, I lost track of time, didn't realize it was 10 o'clock at night. But you know what, part of that is my fault, simply because I got really like upset, just like thinking about, like, not even just thinking about school, but thinking about like the cost of school and the fact that like I've just entered my 20s and I've already messed up payments and stuff like that, and I was just starting to, you know, get in my feelings and stuff, you know, just thinking about, you know, college and life after college, even though I'm only halfway there. Like, if I'm stressed out now, imagine what it'll be if I'm stressed out in my 30s or my 40s, you know? If God let me see it, of course. But I don't know if I'm gonna eat tonight. If I do, it will probably be later on. However, I am gonna go ahead and put what I need to put on my bulletin board. The things that you saw me print today, I'm not gonna put those on because I want some construction paper to go in the back of those. Like, I want it to be like real cute and real, you know. But I did print out like some Spider-Man pictures, and I'm just gonna staple those on for tonight and probably work on the letters for my bulletin board off camera, because I don't feel like recording that. yeah, but I just wanted to post a YouTube video. How do I look recording, editing, and then never posting a video, you know? So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I just got done putting up my bulletin board. Not all of it, but some of it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, yeah, so I just got done putting up parts of my bulletin board. Not all of it, obviously, but you saw. Yeah, like the little Spider-Man. So I'm just having a little snack because I really don't feel like eating. And I need to cook string beans because I need vegetables. I don't feel like doing that tonight. This is the pasta that I made. I'm gonna just put it in the fridge for tomorrow. I eat these. Look good, real tasty. Don't say I didn't put y'all on. We'll give y'all a little night routine, but like, girl, I be going to bed late. But I do need to go to bed early tonight simply because I have work in the morning. And I have to be up at like 7 or 6 so I can get to work at 8. So yeah, I don't know, like, sorry y'all, I just heard a door open outside and like nobody's supposed to be here, so that's why I just, yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. If you made it this far, like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I keep hearing all kinds of sounds in this dorm and in the hallways. I don't know if I'm going crazy, but I'm trying to keep it together. Anyways, guys, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and have a nice day, and make sure to stay prayed up.